Welcome, guys, to today's live series. And today we're starting today's day 10, right? Like episode 10, really. And we're getting to the point where we have to start saving our workflow into the what into the database. Like we have to update our workflow. Really, let's say update, not pro. We have to start saving, updating our workflow or editor data into the database. Right. And that is what we're going to be doing today. Okay. The one problem that I'm having today is there's no light and it's raining and the network is pretty bad. And I just don't want to miss this. Right. I still haven't made uh, the post on LinkedIn, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Put the post out there on LinkedIn. Right. Okay. So okay. And gaining traction, right? Not so much, but it's gaining a lot of traction these days. And like I think it was um, day two that actually gained a lot of traction, right? And yeah, just hoping the other days as well are gonna gain the traction that we're expecting them to gain. And the video might be lagging, you know. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. I just want to make sure like I do the live series every day, right, and build this out. So if something is lagging, kindly let me know, and you can, you can let me know in the comment section if it's lagging behind, and if there's any, if there's any way you guys can help, come on, help, guys, help. Okay, decides to give me what? To give me a solar system, something. But the network is, oh god. I can't even make the post on LinkedIn. Yeah, yeah. I can't make the post on LinkedIn. Let me go to X, which is Twitter. Oh, it's taking way longer to load. And as like I can see,
Hi everyone, my name is Patrick Fakil, and if you're interested
the
in
live stream
building
is.
trustability and authentic
I'm going to have
leadership,
to pause
this
this
episode is for
because
you. Joining me today are Josina and Charlotte,
if
founders
I
of Bravely, where they help leadership teams do better in startup and scale-up environments.
yeah. Okay, let's see. We can post on X. And as we do, we always remove these. Okay, and no data is coming through. And the stream can end anytime. I don't want that. Give me a minute. Let me see. Probably if I bring the router closer, maybe that is gonna be better. Let me do that. Let me probably do that. And this is the exact same thing we're gonna be posting on X as well. On LinkedIn as well. Let me go bring the router. Maybe by having it closer, it's gonna be better. router is not killing. It's all red. Like it's red. Man. Okay. Hopefully it's gonna be better. I hope so. Let's see if the live stream is still going. Okay. It's still going. Okay, so let's go back to LinkedIn. Let's post this on LinkedIn and on X as well. We haven't really been gaining traction on X. Like, um, I mean, if you guys have any suggestion on what to do, right? On what to do on the post. You see, the one we did yesterday, we got 2 views. This is 11 views for the 7. And yeah, these are just for the 6, 2 views, 3 views. You know, um, I mean, if you have any, um, should I say hack or like anything you guys think I could actually do, just let me know. But we're gaining quite some traction on LinkedIn, right? Quite, quite a lot. I mean, not a lot, but it's still way much better, way better. You know, just gonna post this. It's way more better. You know, on LinkedIn. You go to my profile. You can see the analytics. Like over the past 7 days, we have had over 217 engagements, and this is the one I just posted. And if we go to the analytics, like you got over 219 post impression. You know, this is just over the 90 days. Nothing. Now we can do a LinkedIn live. I hope to do that sometimes as well. Right. If you go to the post impression, you know, if I change it to the last 14 days, because I think I've been doing this for like something around that. Let's say part 28. Yeah, which is good. You know, it's it's like 25,000% X from like I wasn't posting. Like I don't usually post on LinkedIn. I don't post. Right. Uh this is the post that has the most view, like 866 views in the last 28 days. Right, which is awesome. Right, day 2, day 4, day 1. Then like we have, and also we're having people that are liking our posts, which is great. It's a great start. And I've actually met, people that I was able to collaborate with on YouTube as well, which is great, through YouTube. And grateful, grateful guys, grateful. So let's start. Let's make sure I'm sharing screen. So what we were able to do last time, right, is we were able to complete the to do that we set for day 7, which was add the plus. We were able to do that. We were able to add the events to the node, right? We added the events. We were able to get the nodes to the front end, right? We were able to do that. We were able to get it to filter based on like the type, which is trigger or action. We're able to do that as well. Um, if you're just watching this video and you've not watched the previous video, you can go and watch the previous video. And you that has been following me on this channel, on this series, please make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment below in the comment section. Right, it gives me, um, you know, it gives me the energy to actually put more into this and do this out together, right? And I'll feel like we're all doing this thing together, right? I will know that there's someone out there watching it, caring about it, and like um, you know, and we build this community together, So we're able to map out the structure for the workflow database, which is what we have here, right? I don't know if any of those is still going to change at a point, but this is what we have, and I think this is basically what we need, right? This is just basically what we need for the workflows, right? And one other thing that we're going to be having, another table or another model that we're going to be having is we're going to be having the model for authentication, right? We're not going to be dealing with that right now. So we had the models as we go, had the scheme, we had to the schema as we go, okay? Um, and this was copied, like we basically copied this from Zapier. We got this from Zapier. If you go to our GitHub, you can see all this in the README. The project file is public. You can clone it. You can follow along. You can, build along, or you can use it, I guess. And it would be great if we're able to make money with this. But currently, it's still public, so you can get it from the GitHub as we build, right? So let's continue. So let's run this app. Try this. Continue on there, and I have to do the convex as well. nps convex db push. Sorry, convex tail. Okay. Let's hope this network is able to get us to the 1 hour. Okay, okay. So, yeah. So it's doing the validation immediately. So that is why we're getting this, because we have in the workflow, in the convex workflow here, we're putting the title, the active, the owner, right, when we're creating the workflow. So it's add workflow. So what we want to do is that in this schema, we want to make, I think what we want to do is when we had a new workflow, we have to pass in the note, right? Which I think we can just copy the note that we have here. We can put that here, and oh, there always needs to be a trigger, you know. There always needs to be a trigger, 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 trigger. It's just gonna be trigger like this, but that's still gonna give us error, right? Yeah. So we're still gonna get error because there's some keys that are not optional in the schema. So we have to what? We need to make the data optional. It's not callable. Dot is optional. Is not callable as well. Okay, since it's an object, okay, maybe we can just do for the string, like for all this.